Hope you know we good.
Follow me at
We gonna die after eating this, so.
Look at this. It's over there. Hey, you can't forget your noodle.
You gonna get
Can't forget your noodle. It's a cinnamon. You need some cinnamon.
That's piece of chips.
And
The hot sauce.
Okay, now.
we
Kimani.
need spice.
Kimani.
Why didn't you
This
say
nigga says spice.
Then you turn up the fire.
Kimani. Like, cover that up.
Mommy.
And then you need to take a piece of cheese, right? And you lick it. And you,
Wow. Yeah, you look that. Huh? And we need to taste
and
sweet.
you like get it and you.
Kimani, that's a strawberry shortcake.
And when it don't come out, you throw it in there.
Y'all gonna burn down the house.
Put a little bit of water there.
Make sure you cover it.
Yeah. Little dance scoop. Well, I can't put it. Now, Victor, this look delish. I'll eat this for breakfast. Look at
So it cry a little bit. I'm
Oh
gonna
my
fix that.
gosh.
Okay, stop
Okay.
the video. Stop the video.